Welcome, today in front of me Sony Xperia Pro I, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So you should go into the settings application and then click here to appearance. Now just tap to the always on display. Here we can change the time when we can show the AOD always, smart activation, or just when device is lifted will stay with the always on. Here we can enable or disable the feature to show the new notifications on the lock screen in always on display. Also, by the same way, we can enable or disable the music information, and here we got the sticker section, so we can just set one from these available stickers or just to select one from your device photos if you want. For example, we can go with this one. Now we'll just go back, and when we'll just lock the device, we can see it just by this way we can customize our AOD feature. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.